not work at all. Alright guys, I was just checking, make sure my computer was still working because I've logged in 2 seconds ago and it was still giving me the error message that my computer is broken or whatever it is. I don't know if it's the software that I'm running because it's a beta software, I don't know. But anyway, vlog number 5 I think, Saturday the 18th of February, and I have cold sores on my lip. But that's not to worry. I don't know what we're going to do today. I think today you might go to the airport, see some planes. Sounds weird, I know. But apart from that, I'm gonna go to the gym. I still haven't edited those videos, guys. I think it's been like almost 2 weeks and I still haven't done them, so I gotta get around to doing those hopefully today. If not, it'll be done tomorrow. But I don't know, we've got a plan to do something, boys. We can't just sit at home all day. It's not gonna happen. Something has to be done. Now, I got breakfast waiting inside, so we'll eat some breakfast. And then after that's done, we'll get on with the day and see where it takes us. Also, forgot to mention, look how long my hair has like gone. It is just ridiculously long. So, do you know how to fix the problem? Get the hat. New hat. And problem fixed. Breakfast is over. Now I'm gonna charge the camera because it's legit flashing at me again. I never charge the camera and it's always dying. So, charge the camera. A few hours have passed since breakfast time. I've just been chilling out, not really doing much. It is, what, 2:20 now. I think I started the vlog off at like 10 in the morning or something, maybe 11. Can't remember. Now I'm just gonna find lunch. Don't know what it's gonna be yet, so I'm gonna find that and see what happens. Might play some Call of Duty soon, maybe some zombies. Been really enjoying zombies, so I might play some zombies and then we'll see what ends up happening. That makes no sense. Need to find lunch, that's the main priority. I always talk about food in the vlogs. Petrol's in. Now we're off to the gym. It is so hot in this place right now. We are done. It's so hot in here. Just got back from the airport. It is currently 12:22 in the morning, so it's somewhat late. I'm tired. I want to go to sleep. But we did get some, I think, hopefully good footage from the airport. I think I got a good time lapse. I'm not too sure. We'll figure that out when I'm editing the video in the morning, and we'll see what happens then, because I just can't believe editing now. It's by the time I finish editing, it's simply like 2 o'clock in the morning. Nah, want to go to sleep. Hopefully got some cool time. I think I got a cool time lapse. I can't remember. I'm just that tired. But we'll see what happens. Today was a bit interesting. And the one problem is I never know how to finish off these vlogs. I don't know what to say, don't know what to do.